Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today I am doing some simple wall decor. Hope you will enjoy it. Also one small request to you all. From last couple of months I am hardly getting any views on my videos. I am trying my best to provide good quality content. But it's really demotivating that after all this hard work I am hardly getting 5 to 10 views. So please do watch and subscribe my channel. Okay, then let's get started with our DIY. For this DIY you need cardboard, some paper, butter paper or tissue paper, acrylic colors and glue. First I will make background for our decor by sticking butter paper on this cardboard. For sticking I am using glue solution. Pour some glue in water and stir. Now apply glue. And stick. While sticking, make as many creases as you can. You can even use tissue paper for this. Once finished, keep it for drying. Now I will roll this paper and make paper straws. Roll like this. And apply glue and stick at the end. Next I will paint these straws with white color. My cardboard dried, so now I will paint it with black acrylic color. I use metallic gold color to give light golden dry brush effect to our background. This is how it will look. Now I will stick paper straws. Like this, our wall decor is ready. Do let me know how it looks. Hope you like this video. Thank you for all the love and support. I will be back with new video soon. Till then, be creative and keep creating. Peace.